Good morning, guys, and welcome back to our channel. This is Lisa. Joe, you'll soon see because we're going to start off this video with collecting the grocery from the door from or as the delivery. Now, since the pandemic, usually we go to the grocery store, to the supermarkets, to different shops to get our grocery. But since the pandemic, we have found that it is much easier to order the groceries online and have them delivered to our house. So here we are, we collect the grocery from the door, we take them into the kitchen, everything, every single thing, including the toilet paper, is taken into the kitchen because then we get diluted bleach with water and a clean cloth and we wipe every single thing down before they're taken into the house, well, into our store cupboards, into the pantry, into the fridge, into the freezer. Everything is cleaned first. And you know what, we've come to realize as well that we do like the system. And so even if the pandemic ends, when it does end, we are still going to continue to order groceries online and have them delivered. And we're also still going to wipe everything down because I know we can't see physically the germs, but every time when we wipe our groceries down, if you see the color of the water, you just know that the things that are stored in the shops and stores and so on, they're really dirty. So we're going to continue with this system that we've started since the pandemic. So here we go. If you're a returning subscriber, then welcome back. And if you're new, then please consider subscribing. We share content about home, lifestyle, family, DIY, holidays, travel, the whole works. So if you're new, just consider subscribing and we'd love to have you joining our little tribe that we have here on YouTube. It's the bank holiday weekend, so there's Sunday off, Monday off. Lots of people have gone away to the beach, to the coast to enjoy themselves, but we're staying home and we're going to enjoy ourselves as well. So I'm giving the kitchen a good clean, and then we're going to do some barbecue meats outside, and then we're also going to be using the cooker top because we want to do some corn on the cob but inside, and we're also going to use the oven. So I'm giving everything a good clean before we begin. And who doesn't love a spanking, new looking, shiny kitchen? So this is our kitchen. I really, really love the space. It's small, but if there was more to it, I'd have more to clean. So I'm okay with the size of my little kitchen. And I like when it's so clean and bright and sparkly. Make me not even want to mess it up. But I do love cooking, so it's not going to stop me. Also, later you're going to see the mess that it became, but that's okay too. There's going to be another day. Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. So you might be wondering why we are in these high colored clothes. You know why? The sun is out and we're happy. Yeah, it just feels nice and warm when the sun is out. So today, you know what we plan? A barbecue. So I'm going to make my own bread rolls. We're going to have corn on the cob. We're going to have chicken skewers with jerk. Yes. What else? Homemade coleslaw. In the description below, I'll put a link to a recipe for making your own jerk sauce marinade. Yeah, and also put the link to the bread rolls because they're soft, nice, fluffy bread rolls that you'll absolutely love. And you have everything at home, maybe except for yeast, which you can buy to make these. So welcome back to another weekly vlog. In this week, we're going to show you little snippets of what we get up to. Today it's Sunday. We've already had a little sandwich for breakfast. It wasn't anything much. We're looking forward to the barbecue. We're looking forward to a little day out in the week. We'll show you a little bit of that. And tomorrow as well. Oh yes. Bank holiday Monday. Bank holiday Monday. So, barbecue again. A whole chicken barbecue. Yeah. But we'll look out for Wednesday's day date. On Wednesday, we'll show you exactly where we get up to, where we had lunch, what we get up to, how fun it was, and also our rating. We like the idea of rating not just the food but also customer service, because that's important. Yeah, the whole experience. Yeah. So come with us for the ride, guys, and thank you as always for being here. Oh yeah, we're so grateful to those of you who have subscribed and have left comments in the box below. We really do appreciate it. We read everyone and we try our best as well to comment. We respond to everyone. Yeah. See you later. So today I'm going to be making these nice soft dinner rolls, and it uses only 7 ingredients, and they are milk. I'm using semi-skimmed milk. I'm using strong bread flour, yeast in my little bag here, then that's sugar, butter, 1 egg, and a little bit of salt. Watch the progress. So the milk is slightly warm, and to this I'm going to add the yeast and half the sugar. I'm going to leave a link to the recipe down below. So all the yeast, about half the sugar, and then I'm just going to mix that and then leave it to do its thing. So this has been resting here for about 5 minutes. So that's the yeast and milk and sugar. And then my next bit is to, well, usually you do this in a mixer. I don't have a stand mixer. I'm not that rich yet. So I'm going to use either a spatula or a whisk spoon or a whisk. Yeah. But the next bit I'm going to do now. Well, this is me being a stand mixer. This is the best I can do. No, that's hard work. If it begins to get sticky, just add more flour. That please. The dough was left to prove, and then they were shaped into balls and then placed outside in the sun to prove it second time. Hi again. I'm going to show you what's on. Getting the fire ready for the chicken and corn on the cob. And that's bread rolls proving outside in the sun. Now time for the coleslaw. Coleslaw is really a delicious salad that's really easy to make. You just need a few ingredients: cabbage, carrots, mayonnaise, a little salt, a little sugar, and some people add apples or fruits, dried fruits, but at this time we didn't add any. We also did some fish in foil over the coals. We were the envy of the neighbors because the smell was so amazing. And when I took the bread rolls back inside, they had doubled in size, so they're ready now for the oven. So to make space, we had to take out the onion rings that were ready and 2 burgers that were on one tray. They were ready as well. So we took those out to make way for the bread rolls. Guys, this is really embarrassing but funny at the same time. We had no footage to show because as soon as the food was ready, they were demolished in no time flat. So no finished plate. It was lovely, however. Good morning. It's a new day and we're just walking in the back garden, enjoying the view of the beautiful flowers and just rejoicing with nature. Thank God for all the rain that we've been having lately, and now the sun's out again. So Leisa, Miss Green Thumb, is getting flowers from her garden for inside. Is it a pink and purple? Pink and purple affair, yeah. It would be nice to get some greenery, or no? Maybe some of that Christmas tree looking one. Okay. Okay. Not too much, so we're going to make it sparse of pink and purple, and then the greenery is the highlight maybe. Okay. Let me see your secateurs. That's it there? Yeah. Any more purple? Or some light pink? Yeah. Does it need a little bit more purple? I think. Yeah. And I suppose cutting it like that will allow it to spring again and get some more. But I think I should cut some of that green. Okay. You want the pastel? Or no? One more? Yeah. Or 3. Let's have it in 3s. Odd numbers. Yeah. Okay, hold up your bouquet, let me see now. Okay, not bad. Alright. These bees want some action. We then moved inside to finish our bouquet that will stay in the house for the week, and it really feels good to be able to cut fresh flowers from your own garden to adorn your home for a week or so. These won't last longer than a week, but that's fine because we can get fresh flowers from the garden again next week and the following week and the following week. It just feels color scheme too. Right, it just feels so good. And like Joe just said, you can change the color scheme to suit whatever you have. Next week could be red and yellow. I tell you, there's definitely beauty to be seen in nature around us. And I don't know how some people could think that this earth just formed by accident. It is evident that some higher power, some being, created us, created these beautiful things around so that we could enjoy, and created such variety as well in nature. Ah, splendid. So this now is barbecue day 2. Bring it on. The sun was out beautifully again, so we decided to do barbecue number 2 for Bank Holiday Monday. A whole chicken. Day 2 of barbecue. Bank Holiday Monday vibes. So to go with today's jerk barbecue chicken, there'll be festivals, which is a Jamaican speciality. There they are. And there's also going to be spicy rice. Hiya, how are you all doing? I'm just checking in. There's nothing major going on this, well, for the rest of the week, I don't think. Oh, new hair. Yes, I like it too, thank you. So I'm on my way to Aldi. I need a few fruits. Other than the monthly shop, we try to top up on like fruits and veg and perhaps milk once in a while. So that's what I'm going to Aldi to do today. And you know what? I've not been in the middle aisle in a long time. So I'm going to check to see what they have, if anything is useful to me. And then we'll see. I might just take you on the journey. Come along. We've arrived at Aldi, so I'm going in now. Orange is 99p. Move some of that. Apples 59. Cherries 99. Grapes. I really like this, but I think I can make my own one, and I might just try this summer. Do you know if you have clotted cream?
Just there. There you go. You know, sorry. Just there, look. Just pour the milk.
All right.
There you go. Just there, look.
Thank you.
Do you remember when adults?
So that was a quick little trip to Aldi. I didn't get much. There was lots. I remember I said I was going to look if there was anything in the middle aisle, but then I considered it. Do I need anything more? Do I need anything for the home? And the truth is I don't. So there were flower pots that I liked and plant stands.
Did you show them?
Yes.
Hi, by the way.
Yeah. So all I got in Aldi was fruits and
That you
clotted
wanted.
cream. Yeah, that was the only. That's what my main aim was, to go into Aldi. So I got grapes. I got apples. I got oranges, cherries, mixed berries. So 3 different fruits in here. And then I also got some clotted cream because later this week we want to make scones. Yeah,
we're
so
going to be making some scones. Easy to make, really simple
you can
recipe.
share the recipe.
Yeah, and you can make savory scones or sweet scones. Some people call them scones. So I'm going to be making sweet ones and serve it with jam and clotted cream.
Yeah. So I think that's it for this week's vlog, guys. Take care of your lovely selves. Be kind to each other. Share this video if you like it and you think others will like it as well. Feel free to share. Feel free as well to subscribe and click the post notification bell so that as soon as we upload something, you're notified and you can watch.
It's the little bell right at the end right side.
Right.
Yeah, there's a little bell. It just
below the video, to the right, there's a bell.
Sometimes you see personalized come up after you click that bell. It just means it's part of your preferences, and YouTube will show you our video as soon as it lands.
Right. So thank you again, and take care.